Hey everybody. So I am super excited to share something with you. It's the scent and warmer of the month for August. Yay! Super exciting. So this one is real pretty. She is real pretty. And I think she's great for all year long, to be honest with you. I'm kind of obsessed with this warmer. I've seen a few people post pictures of it and it's just stunning. So before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and grab some light bulbs because I do want to switch the colors in the light bulbs. So give me one moment. I have a little handy dandy thing of light bulbs. I don't have blue. I had blue. I don't know where it's at. But I want to try these colors. Okay, so first of all, if you are a consultant, you can buy the Scent and Warmer of the Month kit. And it gives you a chance to make your samples and all of that jazz. You get all of your business supplies for it. Now, what comes in the kit? You get your flyers. I'm not going to show you the front. You get your scent stickers. You get 72 rub and smell stickers. You get 9 bars. You get a room spray. And you get the tester, okay? Now this one is not the tester. I try to be sneaky. While I was on my vacation, Taylor decided to open all of my Scentsy packages. I wasn't thrilled about that. 1 star, don't recommend, because now I'm missing my tester. She was looking for something I had ordered for her. And yeah, so she opened all my stuff. But, so I'm going to do the scent review first, and then I'll show you the warmer. Because the warmer, I'm really excited about. I don't know who's on, but please say hello so I know. I am super excited. And this sounds like a great scent. Let me open up my flyers. Hold on. My eyes are burning. I just got back from Kansas City, and there was something out there that just, I don't know what was growing, but my eyes are burning, and they haven't stopped. So I don't know if it was something there or what my deal is, but my eyes are burning. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and smell this bar. It's a beautiful lavender color. It's called Vanilla Blackberry. To me, that sounds amazing. Now, sometimes because of my COVID nose, I have a hard time smelling fruit, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So let's see what I can smell. Ooh, I like that. Now, I don't know if I'm smelling the whole bar, but it smells really good. Let me see the bottom. Yeah, I definitely smell the blackberry. But there's something else in there. Something like, I don't know, not woodsy. Hi, Kristen. It's not woodsy. There's something else in there. I can't put my finger on it. I don't know what that is. So let me read what Scentsy says. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go over the notes in it. Okay, so the top notes, okay, bergamot and red berries. Okay, could be, maybe it's the bergamot I'm smelling. Mid notes are pink jasmine, green gauge plum. I'm not sure what that is, but some sort of plum. And then the base notes, this is what I'm smelling. This is right here what I'm smelling. The base notes are amber, musk, vanilla, and cedar. That is what I'm smelling. Because to me, it has a fruity scent to it. But like I said, there was something as well. And it's very outdoorsy, woodsy. And so that is beautiful. It's different than what I was thinking. Okay, so it says vanilla blackberry, bold fruity blackberry draws you in with amber and vanilla finish. Yes. And they put it in the fruity category. So in the month of August, it's going to be 10% off. So it comes in bar, room spray, and the scent circle. Okay, and then now I'm going to show you, dun, 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 the warmer. And I'm so excited about this warmer. I'm really excited. Okay, so it's called Night Sky. And as you see, it has stars on it, but it's really pretty. I want to show you. It has like some iridescent to it, which I love. Oh, I love this. Okay, so you know we always have quotes right here from Heidi and Orville, who are CEOs. And this one is from Orville. It says, loyalty is the purest form of trust. Where there is loyalty, love is complete. I've never read that one. That's beautiful. I like that one. Alrighty, so let me move these out of the way. I wish I had my blue one, darn it. But you'll get the idea with the colored bulbs that I have. Okay, so let's look at the dish. It looks like a standard glass round dish, which is fine and dandy because I love it. Okay, so this one is rated for 4 cubes of wax. And let's see. Ooh, yes, it's every bit as beautiful as I thought. Is that the bulb or is that just extra? No, that's just extra stuff. Ooh, this one's going to go in my living room. This one is going to go in my living room. I love it. I think it's really pretty. Okay, so let me get the bulb out. Actually, I'm going to leave that one. I have some clear bulbs I can use. I'm going to use those up. Okay. So I'm going to put this stuff back in because it's not going back in. All right. So let's look at the warmer. So it has all these stars and little dots, right? The dots, they feel like little beads. It's handmade. And I don't know if you can see, but those stars have an iridescence to them. Very pretty. Very pretty. Thank you, Rick. I'm glad to be home. Hope you had a good birthday. I saw you had a birthday while I was gone. But yes, super pretty. I think this one's gorgeous. So let me go ahead and plug her in because I am excited to see this big time. Okay. So I'm going to plug her in. And I'm going to put a clear bulb in first. This is what you get with it when you order. Okay. Okay. So let me turn that on. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. That is stunning. So stunning. I'm so excited about this. Okay, but before the light bulb heats up, I want to show you how you can change out the bulb and it totally changes out the warmer. Okay, so I wish I had blue because that's one of the colors I really want to use with it. And maybe I have it on my shelf somewhere, but I do not see it. But we're going to go ahead and put red for maybe Christmas time, 4th of July. So you see what I'm saying? Like you can change up this warmer. Okay, so now I have the red in. Let's check that out. 1, 2, 3. That's really pretty. I like it. Gorgeous. So that's pretty for a holiday. So far, my favorite is still the clear bulb. The clear bulb's really pretty. But I heard the green's nice. And I heard the blue was really nice. I like the red bulbs. I'm not a huge fan of red bulbs. But I do like green and I do like blue. I'm not a huge purple fan either, even though I like the color purple. The movie's great too. But as far as light bulbs, hold on, I gotta screw this in correctly. Oh, darn it. All right, there we go. I got it in now. I think I got it. I think I got it. Okay, so let's try it with a green bulb. I'm excited to see this. Hi, Rovita. Hi, Peggy. Okay, green bulb. 1, 2, 3. I do like it with the green bulb. I vote yes on the green bulb. I really think that's pretty. That is really pretty. I think I'm going to use that for Christmas. I think I like it better than the red. The green is really pretty. I wish I had the blue. Let me try the orange bulb. See how that looks. Because remember, we have fall coming, so like that would be pretty too. All right. So let's see. Let's try that. All right. Oh, and starting August 1st, I just mailed out the catalogs. Peggy, yours is in your bag. But starting August 1st, the new catalog starts, the fall winter. And now we have colored bulbs in all 3 sizes. Well, not the Edison bulb, but the 20, the 15, and the 25. We have colored bulbs, so that's amazing. All right, let's try it in this color. See, that's pretty for fall. Ooh, I like that. I think that's pretty. So that, what is the name of her again? Night Sky. I was so excited for this one, and it did not disappoint. I'm going to go back and put the clear bulb back in. Let's see what Scentsy says it's about this warmer. Okay, and look at how beautiful the flyer is, okay? Night Sky, a mosaic of hand-placed glass accents, say that quick a few times, shines in a stellar display that's as mesmerizing as the real thing. Yep. Marks on the tiles are normal and part of the hand. Okay, so they're supposed to look very handmade-y. I think it's beautiful. Oh, I see what they're talking about, the marks on the tile. Yeah, I see that. It's really pretty, though. I think that's gorgeous. I've actually seen videos on how they make these Scentsy warmers and the hand done ones, and they're really neat. It's really cool how they do it. All right, so let's check it out again with the clear bulb. The iridescence is like giving me life right now. Let's see. Ooh, so pretty. Love, 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 love. That is gorgeous. So like I said, this is the warmer of the month for August 2021. So let me know if you guys want one. I don't know if they're going to sell out, but I really love this warmer. So let me know if you need one. Anyway, you guys, the scent is amazing. I'll be making samples of that. I'll get that out to you. And the warmer's gorgeous. But I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye, everybody.